Hello guys, Cool Gaming here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the God Mode glitch on GTA 5 Online. Yes, God Mode glitch. Now this glitch is very cool. You guys can go online and basically just be a god. You guys will not die by anything, not cops, not players, not anything. And you guys can have really lots of fun with this glitch. You guys can like troll friends. You guys can just kill people online without even dying, and you can just basically have fun in the game GTA 5 Online. So yeah, guys, right now I'm shooting cops right now, and as you can see, I'm not dying. I'm getting shot a lot, and I'm not dying at all. So guys, let's just get started and teach you guys how to do the glitch. Here we go. Okay, now, so what you guys are gonna need for this glitch is the garage that's like on the bottom left of the map. It's next to the 3 other garages, so it's right around there. So this garage costs less than 30 grand, so you guys should be able to afford it. So now you're gonna need a Zentorno. So get a Zentorno and then bring your Zentorno into the garage that you bought, which is the less than 30 grand. I think it's 29 grand. So you wanna go in your garage, it should kick you out now. So, okay, once it kicks you out, this is very important now. So as soon as your player sits down in the bottom of your chair, unplug your battery pack from your Xbox 360 controller, and for PS3, unplug the wire that connects to your PS3 and your controller. So I'm gonna do it right now. As soon as you sit down, unplug your battery pack. Now it should glitch you out, and once you connect your controller back in, it should bring you randomly on the city, like randomly on the streets. Now the glitch should be working now. So if you want to test it out, just kill a guy out of a car or something and let him punch you, and if you lose damage, then it didn't work. You gotta try it again. But if you didn't lose any damage, then you're fine. Oh, so this guy's not in your car, so I'm just gonna blow up the car and see if it works. So stick the thing wrong place. Okay, now it should be invincible now, so let me try. Yeah, see guys, the glitch worked. I'm invincible now. So yeah, that's how you do the glitch, guys. And you guys can see now I'm invincible. I'm just gonna shoot random guys. Okay guys, I hope you have lots of fun with this awesome glitch. If you guys want more GTA 5 glitches in the future, please comment, like, and subscribe below. Peace.